Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel at Master. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon also. Yeah, then you can receive my future videos also. Today I will going to tell how to transpose data. What's the meaning of transpose? It's like this. Actually, I want the presentation of data in other way. I have data. I have 7 countries and 4 product, and assume these are sales values. I want to change this data in other way around, which means I want to show products in vertical way and countries in horizontal way. So how to do that in a simply way? So for that I have to select this data and copy and click the cell that you want to paste. I want to paste here. Click right click and paste special with the transpose. Make sure that is tick and click OK. Then you can see that the presentation of this table has changed. Now this is the way that I want countries in this side and product in this side. So the presentation has changed, but if you want to change in original table, if you assume that product A USA, this I want to change 5000, product A USA, this is still 3000, so that is not changing automatically. So how to do that in, if you want to change in original, and that transpose data also, if you want to change it automatically, how to do that? So I will go to my other sheet, then I will explain by using this way. This is the kind of advanced transport data. I will explain by using this example, the same example. So how to do that? Okay, I will select the range again and copy and paste that you want, the area that you want, and paste special, tick the transpose, click OK. Okay, that's what we have done before, but if you change this to 3000, not change. How to do that? I will tell this: copy, paste special, paste link. Make sure paste link, not transpose, paste link. Okay, now we received the same data what we have already. But if you go there in address bar, you can see that formula bar, you can see that only that is showing the reference, that's B2. If you go to in the country also, A2. If you go to every data, you can see that is showing the link only. So I will do like this. I copy the data range of what we have in the link and press the control button H. Then we will receive find and replace dialog box. I will replace equal into hash mark and replace all. What we received is like this. Okay, then I will copy this data, copy and I want to paste here with the transpose. Okay, now we receive transpose, but we want to do some adjustment. Click again, Ctrl H. You can receive the find and replace dialog box again and replace hash mark into equal. Replace all. Okay. Now select one product here, USA product A. I will highlight in yellow color and USA product A. I will highlight this as well. This is the original data. This is the transpose data. If you change it into 5000, you can see here when you press the enter, see that's also automatically change. So this is the way how we have to do in transport data. If you change the original data, that transpose data also automatically change. I think this way very useful for this. So if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon also. We will meet in another video. Thank you.